If we don't do anything, carbon emissions in our region will increase by about 17% by 2020. This means more ice storms, more windstorms, more apple crop failures, and more cost to clean this stuff up.
House of Friendship is a charitable social service agency in Kitchener-Waterloo that serves persons living on a low income. We provide shelter and supportive housing, feed and assist those in need, support healthy lives for those struggling with substance abuse, and build strong families and communities through work in neighborhoods.
House of Friendship presents the task of determining effective carbon emission reduction opportunities and strategies associated with employee and volunteer commuting event travel, as well as fleet vehicles. Our mission is to 1. Establish a baseline of emissions related to House of Friendship's fleet and work-related driving, 2. Identify commuter preferences and fleet use trends, and 3. Evaluate current transportation and data collection practices against industry benchmarks and employee and organization values.
House of Friendship envisions a healthy community where all can belong and thrive. To fulfill this vision, we strengthen people and communities by being there when needed, speaking up, and working together. This is a mission that we share with many local member churches, faith groups, partnering agencies, businesses, groups, and individuals.
We have 14 different locations within House of Friendship and work with many partner organizations in our community. So our work involves a lot of driving for a variety of purposes, such as taking program participants to and from appointments or on outings, picking up or delivering food donations, attending meetings, and driving to various sites to deliver programs. For some of the driving, employees use their own vehicles. In other cases, House of Friendship fleet vehicles are used.
Our approach involved a variety of research methods. 2 surveys were conducted in order to understand the trends with personal commuting and work-related driving. The results of the surveys illustrate that requiring a personal vehicle for work purposes is a strong rationale for transportation as well as a barrier for active commuting participation. Time, ease of transportation, and proximity to work were additional barriers for active commuting. However, incentivized programs were expressed as strong motivators for changing transportation preferences. 34% of respondents commute between 5 to 10 kilometers each day. This shows a large opportunity to engage employees in active transportation for commuting to and from work. A dashboard has also been developed to track total annual fleet CO2 emissions.
This is both a tool to continually track key performance indicators, goals, and targets related to transportation emission reduction. This will capture the organization's current transportation emissions and publicly displays the organization's commitment and progress to its employees, volunteers, and external stakeholders. The dashboard will be an electronic tool, yet flexible enough to be shared across multiple channels. Here at House of Friendship, we will strive to reduce our own transportation emissions so that we can do 2 things. 1. Provide a tool and benchmark for our own organization, as well as for other organizations to adopt. And 2. To create a greener community for those we serve.